Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy birthday, Shiva. Happy 50th birthday. We wish you the best.
Yeah. Wish you
Stay healthy.
very happy birthday.
Happy 50th one and another 50 to come. Thank you. Good luck. All the best.
Hello, Ma. Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Shivakami. And Sophie says happy birthday too.
Sophie, look over there. Hey, my dear friend. Happy birthday. I really treasure our friendship so much.
And I treasure your English accent, which is awesome.
Never ever change yourself.
Or your accent.
We love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And may you have many candles to blow. Cheers. Bye.
Happy birthday, Shivaji. May you have an amazing year ahead and have a great day. Many more to come.
Jai Maharaji ki Didi, wish you a very happy birthday. May Maharaji bless you with lots of happiness, bhakti and love. I wish I could give you a hug in person. I miss you so much. Happy 50th birthday from me and from Riva. Baby Riva. Aww. From baby Riva too. I love you so much. Enjoy your day. Jai Maharaji ki. We love you. We love Shiva Didi. We love Shiva Masi. Right, Riva? We love Shiva Masi. Mwah. We both love Shiva Masi. Okay. Okay, Jai Maharaji.
Hey Shiva. Happy birthday to you. Love you lots. Wish you good health, happiness, good luck, cheer, laughter and lots of good things on your birthday and in the years to come. Stay happy always and stay the way you are. You're such a pure soul. So I want you to always remain the same way and we will always love you. And there's so many incidents that are coming to my mind which I can share with you. Like when we were going to Khajuraho by train, so everyone around was busy cracking jokes and half the time we did not understand the jokes but we laughed out loud and in the end we used to look at each other and say, "Tujhe bhi nahi samajh mein aaya? Acha tujhe bhi nahi samajh mein aaya?" And then we used to laugh out even more and everybody thought that we were understanding their jokes. And so I can go on and on. So for the timing, I'll stop here and wish you a very happy returns of the day today. Happy birthday, Sivakami, my lovely Sivakami.
Happy birthday, Shiva.
Happy birthday, Shiva.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shiva. Happy birthday to you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे कल्पना की कैसी है तू गॉड ब्लेस यू अ लॉट ऑन योर 50th बर्थडे मे वी गो अगेन ऑन अ ट्रिप टुगेदर बाय बाय सी यू लव यू
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shiva. Happy birthday to you.
God bless you. Happy birthday, Shiva.
Happy birthday, Shiva. I hope you're having a great time and enjoying your surprise. Love you. May the next 50 years be even more fun than the ones gone by. Have fun.
Wish you a very happy 50th birthday, Shiva. Stay blessed. All the best.
तेरी यारी चल माना इस बारी सारे मेरी फिक्र तेरे आगे आगे हारी बह लगी मुझको तेरी बीमारी इस बेढंगी दुनिया के संगी हम न होते यारा अपनी तो यारी अतरंगी है कर में रंगी शामें हो तंगी बस मलंगी यारा अपनी तो यारी अधरंगी है रे, अधरंगी रे। ओ, ओ,
Happy birthday, Shiva. Hope you have an amazing day. We love and miss you.
Happy birthday, Shiva auntie. Happy birthday, Shiva auntie.
Very happy birthday.
Money, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday.
Kalpana ka, happy birthday. Wishing you happiness and health always.
Hello Kalpana, எப்படி இருக்க? என்னை யாரும் கேட்டா? I am Malini from Kadalur. உனக்கு 25th birthday சொன்னாங்க, 50th birthday. Happy birthday Kalpana. நாங்கள் நியூயார்க் வந்ததை மறக்கவே மாட்டோம். அந்த ஒரு நாள் பார்த்ததை.
Bye, Sadiq.
Bye. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
Happy birthday! Thank you so much for being my Masi. Thank you for always talking to me and for sharing your life with me and for always letting me come visit and for making such good dal. I love you very much. I miss you. I'll see you as soon as this pandemic is over. But until then, please enjoy your birthday. I love you. I love you. Mwah.
Many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all the super things in life. My best wishes to Manish also and kids. Happy birthday.
Hi Kalpana. Many more happy returns of the day on your 50th birthday.
Hi Kalpana, இனிய 50வது பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Hi. This flower is for you. Dad.
Kalpana, how are you? Best wishes. Very glad to know that you have completed half a century. Hope you both should, you and Mani should complete centenary also. Take care of your health. Have and enjoy the life. Thank you.
Kalpana, happy birthday to you.
Hi Kalpana, happy birthday.
Hi Kalpana, happy birthday.
Stay beautiful as always.
Hello Kalpana, wishing you a very happy 50th birthday. The next 50 years also must be wonderful to you, more than the first 50 years. Wish you all the finest things happen in life.
Hello Kalpana, how are you? It's so nice to see that you have crossed 50 years successfully. Let us hope for the best and we wish another 50 years of good life and you will enjoy the life. Thank you very much.
Hi Kalpana ka, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
हमने कुछ बनाया नहीं, हमने कुछ स्क्रिप्ट नहीं किया, बिकॉज हमारी दीवा का बर्थडे है. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर शिवा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. We miss you so much. You like, you know, a latte. रसोड़े में कौन था? We want to see that version of yours. अच्छे से वीडियो एक रिकॉर्ड करके आप on your birthday हमें भेजिए ताकि हम आपको देख के enjoy करें. And बाकी Rashmi ji is not saying anything because she's like all confused.
Shiva, happy birthday. Miss you so much. The lovely times we've spent together. बहुत याद आते हैं तू और जयू मुझे. Happy birthday.
And I can never ever thank you enough, though I've said zillion times. Thank you for curing my sinus. Thank you for actually treating me and permanently removing everything that used to trouble me so much. We are really happy and grateful to have you. Happiest birthday to you.
Hello birthday girl, ki haal hai? Wishing you a fantabulous birthday. Swagatam to the Oldies Club. Oops, I mean the Hot and Happening Club. That's what it is. It only gets better. If you don't believe me, you must come to LA. So my invitation is to you. Come to LA. We'll celebrate your birthday Hollywood style, or rather Sony style. We'll have a lot of fun. Let's paint the town red. You and BYS. तुम दोनों आ जाओ, तुसी दोनों आ जाओ, and खूब मज़े करेंगे, खूब ऐश करेंगे, और memories बनाएंगे. But anyways, wishing you lots and lots of happiness. Keep smiling. Always be happy, and hopefully we'll meet soon. Have fun.
Hello, Shivakami Kalpana Iyengar, Urf Deepu, Urf Poda. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Din di lakh vadaiyan ho twanu. Hope you win like 50 million points on Ludo. And welcome to Club 50. And enjoy the next segment. Happy birthday, dear Shiva. Happy birthday!
Feliz cumpleaños a ti.
Janmdin di Mubaraka.
Bye.
Oh my god, today is September 25th. Kalpanaka, you just turned golden today. Happy birthday. Velela marande poita. Hope you have a fabulous day and stay safe.
Hi Kalpanaka, wish you many more happy returns of the day.
कई बार यूं ही देखा है ये जो मन की सीमा रेखा है, मन तोड़ने लगता है अनजानी आग के पीछे, अनजानी चाह के पीछे मन दौड़ने लगता है. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू कल्पना, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू कल्पना, हैप्पी बर्थडे कल्पना,
लॉट्स ऑफ लव.
हैप्पी बर्थडे कल्पना. मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात तेरी पता क्या लगती है? तू सेल्फलेसली और प्रोएक्टिवली सबको कनेक्ट करके रखती है, सबके साथ जुड़ के रहती है, बेशक वो तुझे कॉल करे ना करे. एंड दैट्स द गुड थिंग अबाउट यू. और तेरा वो रूठना, बात बात पे रूठ जाती है, बात बात पे हमको मनाना पड़ता है फिर. एनी विच वेज कल्पना, यू हैव अ ब्यूटिफुल डे एंड यू हैव अ वंडरफुल ईयर अहेड. हैप्पी बर्थडे. लव यू.
Hi Kalpanaka, happy birthday to you. You're such a sweet person, and it's been so long since we've met together. So please come soon. Meet you soon. Bye bye. Bye bye. You keep rocking always. Bye bye.
Hi Shiva, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Shiva. Happy birthday to you.
हाय मासी, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
शिवा, आपको 50वें जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Happy 50th birthday to you.
Hi Ka, happy birthday. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful year ahead. Lots of love from all of us. Take care.
ஹாய் கல்பனா, யாருன்னு தெரியுதா? மதுரையிலிருந்து சாந்தி கைலாசம். இனிய பிறந்தநாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள். இறைவன் உன்னையும் உன் குடும்பத்தாரையும் நீண்ட ஆயுளுடனும் நல்ல ஆரோக்கியத்துடனும் மன மகிழ்ச்சியுடனும் வைத்திருக்க அருள் புரியட்டும். வாழ்க வளமுடன். ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே.
Happy birthday, Shiva. Congratulations on that extra wrinkle on your face today. Panchit, where is that extra wrinkle? You're getting younger day by day, my sweetheart. You still look the same that you looked 4 years back. I don't know you before that. Happy birthday, sweetheart. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay the way you are. Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, Kalpana. वैसे तो हम सारे के सारे दोस्ती बहुत थिक हैं, you know, बिल्कुल एक मुट्ठी की तरह. लेकिन हम सबको जिसने बांध रखा है ना, वो डोर तू है. We love you so much. कुछ लाइंस लिखी है, and I'm sure those lines echo your thoughts and feelings. चलो जिंदगी के ग्राफ पर खुशियाँ उकेरे नाप कर, चलो ख्वाहिशों की बाह पर अपना ही झूला डालकर पींगे भरे उड़ते फिरे. पलकों के कोरों के तले सपने अगर फीके पड़े कुछ यूं बना लें बात को, फिर से जगा दे रात को, ख्वाबों के संग थिरका करें। कितना मज़ा आता है ना थिरकने में। और हम ऐसे ही थिरकेंगे, कभी ख्वाब में कभी हकीकत में, मगर साथ साथ। लव यू सो मच स्वीट हार्ट। हैप्पी 50th।
Hi Ka, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. Ambadwais party. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Shiva. Happy birthday to you. Many more to come. Many more to come. Shiva, long life and prosperity for you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! She's a great. Hip hip hooray! Happy birthday to you. God bless you to you. Happy birthday, dear Shiva.
जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिय सखे, जन्मदिनमिदं अयि प्रिय सखे, शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं, शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं, भावयामि। Happy birthday, Shivakamini, my dear Shiva. I think I'm the only one who calls you Shivakamini, right? You have Shiva, Shivakamini, and Kalpana. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shiva. Wishing you a great year ahead. गुरुजी आपको बहुत बहुत तरक्की दें। जो आप एसेंशियल ऑयल्स का बिजनेस करते हो उसमें आप खूब तरक्की पाओ। गुरुजी ब्लेस यू विद गुड हेल्थ, वेल्थ। Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Shiva. May God give you more life and healthy life. Feliz cumpleaños. I wish you all the best.
All best wishes for you.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू शिवा, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा।
मीठी मीठी सी ये मुनिया सर पे डाले है ये चुनिया क्यों, हाँ क्यों। हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नो मौज में रहने दे ना दुनिया क्यों, हाँ दुनिया क्यों। है कितनी शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल, इसे झूमने दे अपनी बीत ते। कुड़ी नू नचने दे, हाँ नचने दे, तू आज लगाने दे ठुमके, हाँ चुमके। कुड़ी नू नचने दे,